Hi, today we're going to work with something I'm calling the principle of direction, and that's referring to electricity and the electromagnetic field of our devices. Here we are strengthening digital resilience by practicing a couple techniques. Hi, I'm Christine Harris from Christine Harris Therapy. So this is a short video for you who work online, either as a student, a therapist, a remote worker, or someone who likes to watch and play video games. What I want to explain here is that it's important our direction of how we're sitting. So when I'm sitting straight ahead like this, all the electricity from the device is going straight towards me. What I want to do is I want to angle myself so that my organs are not being impacted by that electricity and that electromagnetic field. The other technique is after 20 minutes, we need to get away from the screen. We need to go outside or even stick our head out the window. Simply going outside, putting your head out a window, getting some fresh air for a minute, not even a minute, will help refresh you. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much. Bye.